Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngothando nesithembu.
Bazalwane, is it me or did it seem super off that uMakhwela was not part and parcel of the 50th birthday, considering ukuthi uyangena whether the other wives like it or not? I don't know. Was it not odd? And I'm saying this well knowing ukuthi uMangwabe huyo oprepared, uMangwabe huyo osende out ama invitation, but uMusamseleku knew where the party was at. He knew where the venue was at. Ukai knew ukuthi ngiyenzelwa into esongelanga eliso kuphi. Why uMakhwela angabanga khona naye azobongwa njengondlunkulu number 5? I don't know. I found it weird nje ukuthi we were introduced to this person. Life is going on. Mseleku is celebrating milestones. Mseleku gets sick. And then uMacele was able to go amfihle ngapha esibhedlela kusho amfake emva kwani. La ephathini wayangamfakanga erumini lasemuva or wherever. La lo azokwazi ukubona everything eyenzakala for her husband. I don't know, guys. I just feel ukuthi I don't know, man. Something is just off because uthe lo muntu yangena by fire by force. That person should be there at your 50th to show ukuthi angiyindawo wo or beyang